In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new font to your WooCommerce store by using the Custom Fonts plugin. Now, adding custom fonts can really give your online store a personalized touch, making it stand out among the crowd. So let's dive right into the steps you'll need to follow. First, we'll need to install the Custom Fonts plugin. Start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left side of your screen and hover over the Plugins section. This will reveal a menu, and from here, select Add New. This will take you to a new screen where you can search for plugins. With the Add Plugins page open, you'll want to head over to the search bar located at the top right corner of the screen. Type in Custom Fonts and press Enter. You should see a list of plugins related to your search. The one we're interested in, simply titled Custom Fonts, should be at or near the top. Go ahead and click the Install Now button next to it. Installation will take just a moment, and once that's done, the button will change to Activate. Click that as well to activate the plugin on your site. Now that we have the plugin ready, the next step is to upload your font files. Make sure you have your desired font files ready. These could be in formats like WAF or TTF, which are common font file types that the plugin supports. With your files in hand, return to your WordPress dashboard and hover over Appearance. From the drop-down menu, click on Custom Fonts. Here, the plugin will allow you to upload your font files directly into WordPress. Simply click Add New Font. Give your font a name that you'll easily recognize later, and upload the files from your computer. Once the font files are uploaded, save your changes. The final step is applying your newly added font to your WooCommerce store. To do this, return once more to the Appearance menu on your dashboard, and this time, select Customize. This will open the WordPress Customizer. Depending on your theme, you might see an option called Typography. Themes such as Astra or GeneratePress typically have this feature available. Here, you can navigate through various typography settings, allowing you to choose where to apply your new font. Whether it's for body text, headings, or specific elements, you can select your font from the list of available options. And there you have it. You've successfully added and applied a custom font to your WooCommerce store using the Custom Fonts plugin. This simple addition can enhance your store's aesthetics, making your brand voice shine through more effectively. So try experimenting with different fonts until you find the perfect one that captures your brand's identity. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.